aesthetic and like kawaii apps that actually play, so let's get on to the video. The first app I play is Happy Hop. I love this game. It is literally so fun. I've had it since my first kawaii apps video, I think, and it's literally the best. Basically, you tap the screen to jump onto these little tiles, and you can't go on the white ones, and as you can see, the purple ones here blink. I unfortunately went on a white one and I died. And stars are what you use as currency, and every day you get a free piñata, which you can use to get stars. Sorry about the background noise. There's some cars driving by. That should go in a minute. I just really was in a rush to film this video. Okay, and then the characters you have are called Mimos. These are all the ones I have. Some of them are gray because I haven't collected them yet. But I do have a pretty good collection. I used to have more on my old phone, but when I switched phones, unfortunately, I didn't get to keep them, which kind of sucks, but at least I got new ones. Today, I think I'm just going to use the Mimo Cloud because it's so cute. I love it. Okay, you also have houses, and when you get chests from getting to certain levels, you can get accessories for your house, and it's super cool. Right now, I'm just, sorry about that. Right now, I'm just decorating my house a bit. And yeah, this is a really fun game. I give it a 10 out of 10 for funness. I love it so much. These are the chests where you can see the different things, by the way. But I love this game so much. And on to the next app. The next app is Hidden Game, which I showed in my last video, but I love it so much. And I just need to talk about this. So basically, you're a little boy whose mother took his game, and you have to try and find it. And it kind of gets you to think outside of the box when you try to actually guess it. It's super fun. As you can see, I struggled a lot with this level. But in my defense, I was actually screen recording while I was out. Our state reopened, but like we still have to do masks and all that stuff. So yeah. I actually had to go back to the game because it crashed, and I made it to level 17, which is great. Now I'm just going to play through level 17 since I just got here. You collect your dragon drops, which can help you win the level, and it really just gets you to think. Like, you can dragon drop items, and then you get your game. So 10 out of 10, love this, favorite game. The next app I'm going to be showing you is Tofu Girl. This is such a fun game. Basically, you tap the screen to jump, and you have to jump on top of these tofu things. I always try to line it up perfectly, but after a while, it just gets too hard, and I just jump normally. This is a really fun game, and it kind of reminds me of Tower Run from my last video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it in the description so you can watch. Who am I kidding? I'm not going to do that. You can find it yourself, I guess. Also, if anyone wants to link all these apps down below, that'll be great. I will try to do it, but since I'm super busy right now and I do need to upload this video today, I might not be able to. But anyhow, this is a super fun game. 10 out of 10. I love it. It's so, I literally play this every time I'm in the car. You don't need Wi-Fi to play, so it makes it super easy to play. The next game is Brain Test. This is such a fun game. It's kind of like you have to think outside of the box. There's some brain teasers. It's really fun. So first things first, I'm collecting my daily reward, which was 30 light bulbs, which is what you can use to, and light bulbs are what you use to buy hints and also skips. You get weekly tests, but I could not do this one. And the challenges, you really have to think. Like this one, I'm on level 140 now, and you can try handing them, but in the end, what you have to do was lift his face up. And it's really fun. I'm just trying to say a bunch of stuff to fill up time, but you can see it. I definitely recommend getting this app. It really just helps you think outside the box. Like, for example, here you wouldn't think they're triangles, but when you pull them apart, you see how many triangles there are. So yeah, definitely recommend this game. I'd say it's like a 9 out of 10. And on to the next app. Okay, Fun Race 3D. Also, I just want to clarify, it looks like I just downloaded these, but I have them all on my iPad. It's just since I'm filming this video on my phone for convenience. Yeah. Okay, hope that makes sense. Anyhow, this game is the best. Basically, it's like a little race, but you're or obstacle course, but you're going against another person. I'm 90% sure this is a bot and not an actual person playing, but you never know. Anyhow, it's kind of hard at first, but after a while it gets simpler. I actually used to play this game so much, and as you can see, I failed the first 1 or 2 tries, or 3 or 4 or 7 or 8, I'm not sure, but I did fail a lot, but I finally made it farther. Here I am, trying not to get punched in the face as the other person falls to their death, and yay, I won. This game, 9 out of 10, super fun, love it, and great for when you're bored. The next game I'm going to be showing you is Helix Jump. I used to play this all the time. I literally got to level 1000. That's how much I loved it. It's so fun. Well, you'll see it when it comes. You've probably seen ads for this on other games because I know this Voodoo company loves to put their ads everywhere. But it's super fun. Basically, you're a ball and you have to like only touch one color. So like you can't touch red for this one. And if you do, you die. I try to spin around and just go because if you go super quickly, you can go through red. Or if you get those green things, you can go through red. It's really fun. It actually is pretty simple. I don't know why I was doing so bad in these levels, but it's actually not too hard once you start playing more. And every 5 levels or so, you get a little prize. These are my favorite levels just because there's no color you need to avoid, and really all you do is go super quickly. So yeah, I love these levels. They're the best. And as you can see, it's pretty simple to get through all these levels. And right when I say that, I die. Okay. But anyhow, super fun game. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend you get it. Once again, you don't need Wi-Fi for this game. So you don't need Wi-Fi for any of these games, I think. So they're great to play offline. Next game, Aquapark Dot Io or Aquapark Io. I don't really know. Anyhow, this game's super fun. I love it. It's like one of my brother's favorite mobile games. He always plays it on his phone. But basically, you can change your name and skin. I just wanted to play normally. And you're on a water slide, and the goal is to get to the bottom pool first. You can go off the edge of the water slide and try to go to a higher place in the water slide, if that makes sense. You can see what I'm doing anyway, so I don't really need to talk. You can push people off the water slide and kill them, so that's fun. And here I am diving into the pool, number 1. And this game's really fun. 10 out of 10. You should definitely download it. Next app. The next app is Runways 3D, which is similar to Fun Race 3D, but this one is more of a race, as opposed to an obstacle course, which you will see in a minute. Don't mind me, I'm just checking my screen recorder because my storage is super low now after filming all these clips. So basically, you're in a race and you have to tap to go. And here I am in the lead, for now at least. And you have to try and win the race. Like you can see here, there are about 3 people per round. The person who comes in last place in the first round dies and is eliminated. And now it looks like I'm going to die and be eliminated. So I kind of just gave up because at this point I know I'm going to lose. But 10 out of 10, love it. Okay, don't mind me, I was just checking my photos to make sure I kept it. I'll just delete this clip. Next game is Color Switch. And this game is super fun because number 1, there's the basic game where when you click play, you can just jump, but there's so many different game modes, and each game mode is a completely different game. For example, this is one of my favorite, Run, where you can jump or double jump by double tapping, and it's super fun. You collect stars, which you can use to change your color theme, because right now the color theme is purple, blue, yellow, and red in bright colors. But if you have enough stars, you can change your color theme, you can change your ball, you can change all that. Here's another mode I adore. This is classic, which is kind of boring. I don't prefer too much. My favorite game mode is probably Lucky, which came with the whole St. Patrick's Day thing. Or No, I think that's my favorite. Oh, also Flip or Clock. They keep changing the name, so I'm not sure what it's called. Super fun game. 10 out of 10. Go ahead, experiment with all the game modes. You'll love. Well, anyhow, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, do what you want to do. Super Close being monetized, so please help out, and bye!